Welcome, today I'm with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can locate them by using the sound signal with Find My application. So as you can see, there's only the left earphones, and how we can find it, just go for the Find My application. Next, go for the devices and tap on your AirPods. Right now, select to play sound. Click one more time, and as you can see, the right one is playing this beep sound. So when you grab it and put back the case, it will stop playing and it will be connected. Of course, when you close the case and remove both earphones, just like that, and you will be still able to play sound even when the case is closed. So they play the left, the right, and the left one. We can put them back and they will be automatically stop playing this beep sounds. But unfortunately there's no way to find your case, like you can find only earphones. And of course you can use the directions. So right here you'll get the fastest way how to reach your lost earphones. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.